To record a chord sequence into Soundbeam 5, we'll first select the user sound set to work with. These are located from 33 upwards. Let's press confirm to select that. Now if we press the note sequence button and select a user note sequence, and these are located from 74 upwards. Now we can use the switch buttons and the beam buttons and the range button as a musical keyboard to enter our chords. And we press confirm to save, confirm to continue, and here we can rename the note sequence using the plus and minus and left and right buttons. Once our note sequence is saved, we can press the beam 1 button and the note sequence button, and we'll notice that there are 5 divisions in this sequence. So if we select divisions and select 5, and perhaps change the trigger mode to whichever you'd like to use, perhaps the cyclic sustain, and now in beam 1 will be our 5 chords. If you have a MIDI keyboard available to you, we can also use that to enter note sequences. So if we select another user note sequence and page right to the record divisions page, and we have a MIDI cable and we connect it to the input of the Soundbeam 5. Here we're plugging it into in 1, and if the other end is connected to the MIDI output of the keyboard, this time as we play the chords on the MIDI keyboard, they will come in to the divisions as we play them. If we take our fingers off, it'll be ready for 2, 3, 4, and so on. And we can build up our chord sequences in this way. Once we're done, again, let's confirm to save. Confirm to save. And here we can rename our note sequence again. This time we'll give it a slightly different name. So press beam 1, note sequence. Again we'll notice that there's 8 divisions. So let's change the number of divisions for beam 1. And with the trigger mode still set to cyclic sustain. There's our new chord sequence. We could transpose the chord sequence. So here we are taking it down an octave, 12 steps. So if we're happy with that and we want to save our work in progress, if we press the sound set button and confirm, it'll tell us it's been modified, and confirm to save. So here we are overwriting user soundset 33 with a current version of user soundset 33. If we press confirm again, here we get the option to rename the sound set this time. And we can of course give it any name using the alphabet and the numbers and a selection of characters using the plus and minus left and right buttons. So here we've created our own chord sequence and named it, assigned it to a beam, and we've saved and named our sound set.